Aiming for higher SAT math score and only have 7 days left? Don't worry. With a focused, realistic plan, you can still make a huge improvement. In this video, I'll give you a complete 7-day study schedule with daily task, timing, and the exact topics you need to review to maximize your scores. Let's get started. Day 1 is all about building your foundation. Before you solve hard questions, your basic need to be solid. Spend the first 90 minutes reviewing core concepts that appear everywhere on the SAT. Linear equations, ratio and proportions, percent change, exponent rules, rearranging formulas, order of operations. After reviewing this, solve around 15 to 20 easy warm-up questions. This removes all the silly mistakes that usually cost students points. Day 2 focuses on algebra. This one is the highest scoring areas. Today, spend 2 hours strengthening these topics. Systems of equations, quadratics, factoring patterns, function notation, absolute value equations. Split your time into 2 parts. 60 minutes for concept reviewing, 60 minutes for solving 25 medium-level questions. Day 3 is all about word problems. This translates real-life situations into equations. If you understand what the question is actually asking, the problem becomes easy. Linear models, rate and speed, production problems, tables and graphs, setting up equations. Practice 20 to 25 questions focusing only on understanding the scenario. Most students lose points not because math is hard, but because they misread the question. Day 4 covers the hardest SAT math topics. Passport to advanced math. These questions test your algebra skills at a deeper level. Exponential functions, radical equations, rational expressions, polynomial divisions, higher order equations. Spend around 2 hours today. Go slowly. Accuracy matters more than speed here. Day 5 focuses on geometry and data analysis, which make up about 20 to 25% of the test. Triangle rule, similarity ratios, circles, especially arc, angle, area, coordinate geometry, mean, median, mode. These questions are usually easy if you know the formulas. Review each formula and solve around 20 questions. Day 6 is your simulation day. Take a complete digital SAT math practice test under real timing. 44 questions, 70 minutes, no breaks, no pausing. When you finish, don't focus on your score fast. Focus on your mistakes. Make a list and categorize them. Write the mistake categories: silly mistakes, misread question, weak concept, rushed calculation. Day 7 is your correction day. Don't learn new topics today. Only strengthen the topics where you lost point on day 6. Things to do on day 7 is you have to pick your top 3 weak topics. Practice 20 questions each. Review formula sheet. Light revision of mistakes. The final day makes your score stable and avoid last day panic. If you want, I can also make a 30-day SAT math study plan. I upload SAT content regularly, tips, strategies, and real practice problems.